China's rise as a global superpower has been accompanied by a relentless pursuit of military modernization. For decades, Beijing has poured vast resources into developing cutting-edge weaponry and technology. Their ambition is clear: to challenge the existing military dominance of the United States. This ambition has led to a formidable arsenal, boasting advanced fighter jets, hypersonic missiles, and cyber warfare capabilities. The world has watched China's military buildup with a mixture of awe and apprehension. Some see it as a natural progression for a rising power, while others fear the potential consequences of this growing military might. However, the true capabilities of China's military remained largely untested in real-world conflict. This changed with the eruption of violence between India and Pakistan. The conflict provided the perfect opportunity for China to observe its military technology in action. The eyes of the world turned to the skies above Kashmir, where Chinese-made fighter jets engaged in a deadly dance with their Indian counterparts. The stakes could not be higher. This was a proving ground for China's military ambitions and a harbinger of things to come. The pristine valleys of Jammu and Kashmir, often dubbed Paradise on Earth, have long been a flashpoint for conflict between India and Pakistan. The region's disputed status has fueled decades of mistrust and hostility. It often takes just a single spark to ignite the flames of war. On April 22, 2025, a horrific terrorist attack struck Pahalgam. Heavily armed militants stormed a tourist resort, leaving 26 dead and scores injured. The attack sent shockwaves through India and plunged the region into chaos. India blamed Pakistan, accusing it of supporting terrorist groups. Pakistan denied involvement and vowed a swift response to any Indian aggression. The stage was set for a dangerous escalation. Both sides mobilized troops and military assets to the border. Tensions reached a fever pitch as the world held its breath. Amidst this crisis, China's military technology took center stage. As tensions between India and Pakistan spiraled, Pakistan turned to its close ally, China, for military support. China had become a major arms supplier to Pakistan in recent years, providing everything from advanced fighter jets to sophisticated missile systems. This conflict marked the first time that some of China's most advanced military hardware would be tested in a real-world combat scenario. Pakistan deployed a squadron of Chinese-made J-10C fighter jets, armed with PL-15 long-range air-to-air missiles, to patrol its airspace along the border with India. The J-10C, dubbed the Vigorous Dragon, is a highly maneuverable, multi-role combat aircraft designed to rival the best Western fighters. Its PL-15 missiles, with their advanced guidance systems and extended range, posed a significant threat to Indian aircraft. The deployment of these advanced Chinese weapon systems sent a clear message to India and the rest of the world. China was now a major player in the military balance of power in South Asia. The performance of these weapons in the skies above Kashmir would have far-reaching implications for China's military ambitions and its role as a global arms exporter. Section 4. A global proving ground. The conflict between India and Pakistan became an unintended but crucial proving ground for China's military technology. For years, military analysts and policymakers around the world had speculated about the true capabilities of China's rapidly modernizing armed forces. Now they had a front-row seat to witness Chinese weaponry in action against a formidable adversary. The performance of the J-10C fighter jets and PL-15 missiles in mock dogfights with Indian aircraft was closely scrutinized by military observers. Every maneuver, every engagement provided valuable data that could be used to refine tactics, identify weaknesses, and improve future designs. The conflict also offered insights into China's electronic warfare capabilities and the effectiveness of its integrated air defense systems. The data gathered from this conflict would prove invaluable to China's military planners and defense industry. It would allow them to assess the strengths and weaknesses of their technology compared to Western counterparts, and make necessary adjustments to maintain a competitive edge. The conflict also served as a valuable marketing opportunity for Chinese arms manufacturers, showcasing their products on the world stage. Section 5. Shifting sands of power. The India-Pakistan conflict, with its unintended role as a testing ground for Chinese military technology, has sent ripples of uncertainty throughout the global geopolitical landscape. The conflict highlighted the shifting balance of power in Asia, and the growing influence of China as a military force to be reckoned with. The performance of Chinese weaponry in the conflict will undoubtedly embolden Beijing's ambitions for regional dominance. It will also have significant implications for future arms sales, as countries around the world take note of China's growing military prowess. This could potentially lead to a reshuffling of alliances, as nations seek to align themselves with the rising power. The conflict has also raised concerns about the potential for miscalculation and escalation in future disputes involving China. As China's military might grows, so too does its confidence on the world stage. This newfound assertiveness, coupled with the uncertainties surrounding its military capabilities, could increase the risk of misjudgment and unintended consequences in future conflicts. The world watches with bated breath, uncertain of what the future holds in this new era of geopolitical uncertainty.